Number 1. Smart clothing is the fusion of textiles and technology, which can be used in a wide variety of applications in both professional and regular life. Some of these fabrics gather energy from the environment by harnessing vibrations, sound, or heat, reacting to the input. Performance-enhancing smart textiles can measure and report vital signs for patient healthcare, fitness training, or the handling of hazardous materials. There are fabrics that help regulate body temperature, reduce wind resistance, and control muscle vibration, all of which help improve athletic performance. Aesthetic uses of smart clothing includes everything from fabrics that light up to fabrics that can change color or resist water and pollutants of any kind. The health and beauty industry is taking advantage of these innovations, which range from medicine-releasing textiles to fabric with moisturizer, perfume, and anti-aging properties. Let's take a closer look. Number 2. In the future, you'll be able to build a gadget to your liking by selecting the desired specs and packaging them together into one amazing device. That's the beauty of modular technology. It allows to swap the modules or upgrade them with newer versions effortlessly. The modular approach means that your gadget can be upgraded more easily when the new tech is launched without the need to splash out on a new model. Not only does this keep costs down, but it also means that there's less electronic waste to burden the environment. Learn more about these technologies. Number 3. By finding new uses for 3D printing, the scientists are proving that it is the technology of the future. Hardware and equipment costs are likely to fall soon, leading to increased access and applications in industrial, health, and commercial areas. The most unusual uses include printing food and spare parts on the International Space Station, clothing, prosthetics, exoskeletons, and even apartment buildings from a special print material. Learn more about these technologies. Number 4. Drones may seem a trend that has already peaked, but expect to hear less about who has hold of one and more about what they're being used for. It may be commonplace to see an owner controlling their own in a local park, but the discussion about practical and real-world uses has only just begun. Drones aren't a one-off fad, particularly because of large corporations which are planning on utilizing them. More drones, being more useful, may become larger parts of our lives. Let's take a closer look. Number 5. The internet is already considered a fundamental human right, so the science is already working on the ways to broaden and diversify the ways people can access it. Modern technologies and startups show us what the internet of the future will look like. Learn more about these technologies. Number 6. Sustainable or zero-carbon cities will be built with consideration of environmental impact by people dedicated to minimization of required inputs of energy, water, or food, and waste output of any kind. The first eco-city will be initially completed just outside of Abu Dhabi. It will offer homes to about 50,000 people and greatly rely on futuristic technologies. Let's take a closer look.